What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now today we're taking a look at Apple's Finewoven case. We did do a YouTube short on this. You'll find that linked up there for you guys to check out. But it's time to put it on the phone, see what it looks like, and we'll go from there. See whether it looks any better on the phone as it did when we first took it out the box. This for me is not a case I fully intend on keeping. I intend to send this back to Apple because this is just not for me. I would sooner keep the silicone case than this one, and that's exactly what I've done. I've kept the silicone one. The return has started for this already, but we'll check it out anyway, see what it looks like on the phone in case you guys want to pick it up. So iPhone 15 Pro Max Finewoven case, MagSafe, turn it over. 15 Pro Max Finewoven case in what says black, but it actually looks more blue than black. Either way, let's go ahead, let's take it out. So this thing just collects dust, but inside you get some light reading material in case you want to check that out. Box sits on this lovely little stand thing, same as the silicone one, but there is the Finewoven case in what is supposedly meant to be black. In certain lights it does, and then in other lights it just looks like a midnight blue. So nice sides. The sides are actually really nice. I mean, it's like a hard TPU style, but feels nice. It feels like the old leather cases used to. Doesn't smell like them though. Camera housing's really nice, but this material, it's just not for me. The woven case, it collects dust, it collects fingerprints. It's gonna get really grubby over time. I wish I could keep hold of it to show you guys what it's gonna look like, but it's just not for me, unfortunately. And in all honesty, I think if you were gonna buy a case right now, can't recommend this at all. And that's my personal opinion. It might not be yours, but in my personal opinion, I just cannot recommend this Finewoven case. It's just not for me. I mean, the inside where it only feels like a nice velour in a lining, it feels like fabric. It feels, I mean, look at that already. Like the phone hasn't even been in it yet, and you can see like the outlines and stuff like that, and it's just gonna, I don't know, it's just gonna get grubby and minty over time, and it's gonna look terrible. You're going to have spent £60 or $60 on this case, and I just don't think you're going to be happy with it. I think you're going to be looking for something else. Me personally, I would go, if I was looking for a leather case, I would be going down the route of Andar. If I was looking for a carbon fibre style case, aramid fibre, Patak is the way to go. Silicone style cases, I'd say you were looking more on your ESRs or Rhino Shields. It's just not for me. It's just not, I mean, as I say, it might be for you. Let me know if you do end up picking one up and what you think of it personally. We'll try it on the phone anyway, see what it looks like with the blue. With the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max, let's go ahead and drop it in the case. So, quick slide in, and there we go. So, as I say, in certain lights it looks blue, in other lights it looks black, and then you got the blue camera housing from the blue titanium. All your cutouts on the bottom. The buttons are really nice. The buttons feel great, to be honest. Like, the buttons feel really, really good. I do like them a lot. Buttons on the side for your volume, and of course your new action button. As I say, the cutout here for your camera, they're nice and recessed inside that housing, and you can place it down and not have to worry about it. But of course you're placing it down on the fabric, you place this down on a dirty surface. I can see some companies coming out with some cleaning products to try and make this last you a bit longer. You can place it face down because of the lip around the edge, so you can place it face down and have the fabric. There's that feature, you know, you can do that. But I imagine the MagSafe ring as well will show over time. But let's go ahead and bring in my MagSafe charger. It's the Nomad base stand, so let's go ahead and slap it on. So it fits on nice. It is now charging, but it hasn't come up with the animation. So let me go ahead and take it off. No, it's not coming up with the animation, but magnets are really strong. Really, really strong. It's picking that Nomad base station up like it's an absolute champ right there. So there's that. But yeah, you can MagSafe this, you can do all the things, but I imagine this ring will protrude and show over time because I know it was coming through with the leather one a while, like for the 14 Pro Max. Let me know what you think of the Finewoven case from Apple. Is it a case you would go for? As I say, it's just not a case for me, unfortunately, but it might be for you. It's got those nice rails on the side, and I wish they would have carried on this all around the phone, but unfortunately they didn't, and that's where it lies. And then, as I say, it just collects dust, fingerprints, and you're constantly going to be wiping it down, and I think over time it's just going to look horrendous. That's just my personal opinion. Might not be yours, but we're all entitled to our own opinion. But I just can't recommend this case to you guys. I can't physically look at it and go, this is a case that I could recommend you guys going out and buying with using the links down below. I mean, if you're into this style case, I will leave links down below to where you can go and pick it up yourself. As nice as it looks, it does look nice. On pictures and everything, it looks fantastic. I think it looks great on pictures, but in real life, when you've got hold of it, it's just not nice. I don't like it. I really don't. Like a t-shirt on your phone. So, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Is this something that you would pick up for yourself, or have you picked up a Finewoven? Let me know what colour iPhone you're using it with and what colour you went for with the Finewoven. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys, see you all soon.